Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are healthy, happy, and safe. So, my dear learners, I welcome you all in your computer class. In this class, we will start chapter number 5 of your book, and the name of the chapter is TUX Paint Tools and Effects. In the class second, we done with this chapter. It is also there. In that class, in second class, of course, we read this chapter. What is TUX Paint? TUX Paint. What's that? Okay, in that, what are the different features is there? In this system, we can do painting, drawing, coloring, and all these things. You know, that is TUX Paint. What's that? TUX Paint. So in this chapter, we will do all these things in depth. Okay, so we will see what is TUX Paint, how we can do painting, how we do drawing, how we're making very beautiful images, very beautiful drawings in TUX Paint. Okay, do you want to learn? So let's see, let's come with me, let's have a look on this chapter. So this is chapter number 5, TUX Paint Tool and Effect. So, hi friends, in the previous class, we have learned about the components and basic tool of TUX Paint. In the previous class, that means class second. In this chapter, we shall learn about more tools of TUX Paint. In this class also, we will learn some more features of TUX Paint. Okay, so let's start this chapter. Let's see what are the features of it. So there are many tools which are used to draw and paint in TUX Paint. Let us have a quick look on it. Let's have. First is paint tool. So paint tool, there should be like this. Icon should be there to represent paint tool. So this tool is used to make freehand drawing or shapes which are already available in TUX Paint. So with this we can able to make painting. Next, shape tool is also there, that is in this shape. So using this tool we can draw shapes like circle, rectangle, squares and triangle. Next, stamp tool is also there. So this tool is used to insert different types of images and stamps. Okay. Next, line tool is also there. So you can see the icons also. Okay. This tool is used to draw straight line of different width. Text tool is also there. So this tool is used to insert text in drawing. Next, eraser tool is also there to erase something. So using eraser tool, we can erase unwanted part from the drawing area. So unwanted part should be removed with the help of eraser tool. Next, magic tool is also there. This is the magic tool. Okay, so this tool used to add special effects on your drawing. Let us discuss some about tools one by one. So let's see all these tools in depth. First is paint tool. What is paint tool do? What is the work of paint tool? Let's have a look. Let's see. The paint tool is used to make freehand drawing and shapes which are already available in TUX Paint. So the paint that is there, already there, we can do with paint tool. For example, freehand lines, color, stroke and pattern, we can follow the given steps to use paint tool. So different steps are be there to follow the paint tools. Okay. First, open TUX Paint window. So you can open the TUX Paint, click on paint tool. Click on paint tool. Now you will find the brushes of sub tools on the right hand side. On the right hand side, we can see the brushes also. So in this, we can do freehand painting. Okay. Choose any brushes, stroke, pattern or shape from the selector of the right hand side. So you can select the shape, brushes, size according to your choice and start painting. Now, then pick a color from the color palette. So you can pick the color according to your choice. The mouse pointer will change to the paint brush. Now the mouse pointer will be changed into a paint brush because you are start painting. So keep the left mouse button pressed, drag the mouse to the drawing area and draw any part and release the mouse button once you will finish it. So this is how we make beautiful paintings. Okay. Now shape tool, how we can use shape tool? Now we can see this shape tools, different shapes are making in here. So how we can use it? Let's see. The shape tool is used to draw different shapes in TUX Paint. We need to follow the given steps to draw the shapes. So different steps are there. Let's see what are the steps. First, open new TUX Paint window. Click on shape tool that is there on the right side of it. You can see the shape subtools on the right hand side. So in the right hand side, we can find the shape tool. Choose any shape and pick any color from the color palette. So choose any shape and color that shape into whatever color you want to do. Press the left mouse button, draw the shapes in the drawing area. Release the mouse button when the shape is drawn. So this is how we can make the shapes in the drawing area. Here you can make the shapes with the help of shape tool. Now stamp tool is also there. So we will make stamps. Okay, how we can make? Let's see. The stamp tool is an interesting tool. It is used to insert already made images in the drawing areas. The stamps can be mirrored, resized and flipped the way we want. We need to follow the given steps to insert stamp in TUX Paint. So how we can insert the stamps? Let's start. Let's see the following step. First, click on the stamp tool in the toolbar. On the right hand side, you can find the stamp subtool part. The stamp subtool part is there on the right hand side. Select the image you want to insert. Now click on the drawing area and the stamp will be pasted. You will click on the mirror tool located below the right and left arrow keys in the sub toolbox to create mirror image of the selected stamp. Now paste the selected stamp beside the previous stamp. So this is how we can make the stamps in the drawing area. Okay. Now line tool is also there. You can make different lines in the drawing area. So how we can make? Different color line, different size, different width line we can make. So this tool is used to draw lines and pattern of different colors. Let us learn how we can use this tool. First, open TUX Paint window. Choose line tool from the toolbar. Choose the pattern or style of line from the sub tool on the right hand side. So with the in the right hand side, we can choose the line, whatever line we want to make, whatever the line we want to draw. Okay, next. Pressing the left mouse button, draw the line or pattern in the drawing area. The same pattern will be drawn after you completed the line and release the left mouse. Now the line will be completed. Okay, you can make line according to your choice. Now we will see the difference between paint and line tool. What is the difference between paint and line tool? So the line tool is similar to paint tool and has some same brush shapes. The only difference is that line tool helps us to draw a straight line pattern, whereas the paint tool is used to do freehand drawing. With the help of line tool, we can make straight line, and with the help of paint tool, we can make freehand drawing. Let us learn difference between the two. So let's see what are the difference between the two. First is line tool and paint tool. So line tool, this tool draw only straight line. Paint tool, this tool help us to draw freehand drawing. Second, when we choose the line tool, the mouse pointer changes into crosshair symbol. And paint tool, when we choose the paint tool, the pointer changes into the shape of the paintbrush. And the third, line tool, the pattern appears only when the line is completely drawn. And paint tool, the selected pattern is directly drawn on the canvas area. So this is the difference between line and paint tool. That is very, very different. We already know with the line tool, we can make a straight line. And with the paint tool, we can make freehand drawing and color it also. Okay. Now the text tool is also there, in which we can add texts in your document. So how we do it? Let's see. This tool helps us to add text in the drawing areas. So in the drawing areas, if you want to add any text, we can do it. We can add different type, size and color of the text in the drawing area. So we can add the text in the drawing area according to the size, color and shape. Let us learn to add text in the drawing areas. So let's see how we can add. First, click on the text tool in the TUX window. You will see different types of font in the sub toolbox on the right hand side. Third, you can also choose a color from the text from the color palette. So you can choose a color also, which color text you want to write. Fourth, now type the text in the drawing area. You may also press at different places in drawing areas to position the text. So you can position the text in the right side, left side, up side, down side. You can arrange the text also and change the color of your text also. Okay. So we can increase or decrease the size by pressing arrow keys at the bottom of sub toolbox. So we can increase the text size or decrease the size of it. 6th, press the enter key and the text will be inserted. So if you press the enter key, then your text will be entered in your drawing area. This much is clear. Now I'm hoping so you can know how we can use line tool, pen tool, text tool. Clear? Now we will see interesting cheese magic tool. The magic tool is also there in TUX Paint. So let's see how they work. What are the things we can make from it. Okay. So the magic tool help us to insert wonderful patterns and effect in TUX Paint. So we can make very wonderful, interesting, and if we can add effects in your drawing. So for example, brick effect, dripping, distorting, dark, emboss, engorge, etc. Let us understand using the tools with one example. So let's see how we can make these effects with the help of magic tools. So open the TUX Paint window, choose any effect from the selector on the right hand side, for example, grass tool or flower tool. Choose the color of the effect, which effect you want to make. 4th, click and drag the left mouse button in the drawing area. Release the mouse button and effect will appear on the canvas. So this is how we can make changes with the help of magic tool. Okay. Now we will see printing our drawing. How we print it. Whatever drawing we are making with it, how we can do it. How we print it. Let's see. So if not possible deleting this highlighted part, friends, do you know that we can also print our drawing made TUX Paint? We can print it also. How? Let's see. To print the drawing, we need the following steps. So if you want to print that drawing, the following steps involved. So how we do it? Let's see. First, open the drawing that you want to print. Open that drawing. Okay. Next, select the print tool in the toolbar. Click on yes to print. The print dialog will appear on the screen. Click on print and the drawing will be printed. So this is how we can print the drawing. Now this much is clear. Okay, this is how, if you select the print part, you can choose your drawing. Okay, now we will see running a slideshow of a drawing. Like in the presentation also slideshow is there. So in TUX, how we can do a slideshow? Let's see. So we can play a simple animations with TUX Paint or slideshow of picture. We need to follow the given steps to run a slideshow. So how we can run? Let's see. First, click on open option. Click on side tool option. The side tool will start playing on the screen. So this is how it is playing. And this chapter is over. So I'm hoping so this chapter is easy peasy, clear, understandable how we can use TUX Paint. So that's all, my dear learners, for this class. Revise this chapter well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye-bye.